It was a really nice morning in Cancun, Mexico, and I was about to wake up in the top floor of a really nice condo.
Hello! Hello, everybody! Hello, everybody! Welcome to another day here in Cancun. It's really sunny today. It looks like there's gonna be a great day of frying. Maybe a bit of pool tricks, maybe not. But look at this view here, really nice.
I was looking out over the Caribbean Sea from this incredible place. My dream of reaching 100,000 subscribers on YouTube is still alive. I happened to mess up a camera setting, so you will see that some of the clips look yellow, unfortunately.
Looks really nice out there, and the hurricane season has almost come to an end. But let's go down and get some breakfast, and then we're gonna do something really fun today, I hope. And we're also gonna fly the drone because I got a new phone, finally. So we're gonna try it and see if we can fly the drone again.
My plan was still to travel to the west side of Mexico, but I was a bit concerned since a lot of places have gone back into lockdown. Life is full of opportunities, but we either take them or stay afraid of them. It's said that the only thing worse than being blind is having sight but no vision.
Well, let's get some breakfast first, and then we will be going for some snorkeling. Also, some good news is that I have now finished a song and a music video that I will be releasing very soon. So stay tuned for my song. So come along with me, and I ease your pain. Before I go out to my favorite snorkeling spot, I wanted to speak a bit about happiness, because it seems like a lot of people in this world are not happy. A lot of people don't know why they're not happy. I'm not an expert on the subject of happiness, but I would like to share my thoughts on the subject today. It can be kind of simple if we do things all the time that we like, or not all the time, but if we do it a lot, things in life that we enjoy and find interesting, then over time we will be happy. But if we do things that we don't like, for example, if we go to a job 8-9 hours per day, we don't enjoy it, then over time that's gonna make our happiness go down. But I think also we have to identify what makes us happy, because we all have different interests. Some people love to ride horses, some people love to play poker, for example. Some people love to do pool tricks, fry in the sun, and go swimming. So to be happy, we have to do the things in life that we actually love doing. That's gonna bring us happiness. But in this world, it's hard because we need money in this world. So we are forced sometimes to do shit that we don't want to do to get money. Then we have to work to change direction, to try different ways on how we can do the things we want to do all the time. It's known by many people that health, wealth, and love brings up for a happy life. But we don't need a whole lot of money in this life to be happy. If you look at celebrities, for example, you hear them dying from overdoses on the news. I've heard it so many times that somebody who had $100 million in the bank account, they died from overdose. They were taking drugs. They were not happy. So we need to be strong in our mind and learn to control our thoughts. And we need to listen to smart people also. Albert Einstein said, if you want to live a happy life, tie it to a goal and not people or things, because that's going to bring a stressful life. If we tie our life to things that have a lot of value, then it's going to be stressful, because we can lose all those things. For example, when my laptop broke last week, I was so stressed. I was like, oh shit, I had so much information and material on it, and that has value, but I need that laptop. There was one time a couple of years ago I traveled around in Asia with just a bag, The bag weighed, I think that time, 7 kilos, about 15 pounds, and I had nothing of value with me, nothing. No cameras, nothing of value, only a couple of clothes, or a couple of shorts. And I had no worries. I'd saved up a bit of money at that time, and I didn't have to worry about stuff that had value. But why should we not tie our life to people? Because people are gonna let us down eventually. That's just the way it is. That's what Albert Einstein said. Of course, we need people in our life, but we should not tie our life as much as to where we depend on other people to be happy. That's not good, because after all, we are inside ourselves, you know? We are inside our own mind. We are individuals. So we have to learn to be happy on our own. Find happiness on our own. It's really important, I think. Of course, it's nice to have a family and people that we care about and people that we love. I'm probably gonna have a family at some point, but we can't tie our life to that. We can't depend on other people for our happiness, because that's not a good idea. Ultimately, I think happiness is when we find a way to be able to do the things we love all the time. And the process of achieving that, the process of going after the things we love doing, the process then of making it into a reality. Well, I don't know if that made sense, but now I'm gonna go snorkeling because that makes me happy. We should also be careful on who we listen to. That's why I like quotes by Albert Einstein, because he was one of the smartest people that walked ever on this planet. He also said insanity is doing the same thing over and over again and expecting different results. If we do things that don't make us happy and we keep doing that over and over again, then we're not gonna be happy, nothing is gonna change. But if we try different things, try to find things that make us happy and then do more of that, then eventually we can be happy. He also said that everything is in our mind, which is true. If we have negative thoughts, then we're gonna have a negative outlook on life. If we have positive thoughts and think positive, then we're gonna be happy. The frying, it's perfect here, and I'm gonna go over there now to the reef and do one of my favorite things in life, actually, snorkeling. The reef is right out there. We are on the way down, but I have some really bad news. My pool trick outfit is gone. I forgot it at the Moon Palace Resort. So sad. I had my pool trick outfit for I think 10 years. I got it in Sweden, like more than 10 years ago. Somewhere inside the Moon Palace Resort.
Even though my pool come here and just sit by the water and think, and then I go for some snorkeling. The waves are a bit too big today, so we might not be able to see much. It was so nice to fly my drone again and really relaxing by the ocean with the breeze coming in. I really liked this place and I had come here many times by myself. I was sitting on the rocks for a while and was about to go for some snorkeling, but the waves were a bit too big today and the visibility not very clear. walked back to the hotel after a good time by the beach. I came back and I thought that one day we will wake up and there won't be any more time to do the things we always wanted to do, so we should do it now.
God, the waves are big today, woohoo!
We're going back up now. Only one pool trick, but we cannot perform on top every day. Now I'm back. We're gonna take a little bath here in the bathtub.
There was a really incredible hot tub in this place, and it would be nice to sit there, but soon I would go for an unforgettable ride.
The sun is about to go down here over the lagoon on that side.
Guess what we are making now? I give you one guess. Pasta and meat and veggies. The pasta is done, my friends. The day is complete.
Why didn't he do it 4 years ago?
Who is gonna win the US presidential election?
That's what we are listening to now, the last debate.
But you were there just a short time ago, and you guys did nothing. Oh, I ran because of you. I ran because of Barack Obama.
Started off his campaign coming down the escalator saying he's going to get rid of those Mexican rapists.
Hey, who's in the audience? I'm the least racist person in this room.
Okay, Vice President.
We will make America great again, okay? Great again. He has no plan. Oh, come on, man. I do tremendous things for America, okay? Tremendous. And I bring in billions and billions and billions of dollars, okay? He has no clear plan. Do not vote for Joe Biden. He needs to go back to the nursing home where he belongs. Where he belongs. He has no clear plan. Joe Biden for President 2020, okay? Okay? Not president, okay? Resident. Joe Biden for resident. Right? How are you going to make America great again when you're senile? You're senile, okay? Senile. Oh, come on, man. What are you going to do for the American people when you have nothing? You have nothing, okay? I have billions of dollars and I can make America great again. Great again. Will you shut up? Now go back to your nursing home and tell Mr. Obama to bring you a steak because you're going to need it. When you lose, you will need a steak, right? Oh, come on, man. Will you shut up? Look at me. I recovered from the virus in 3 days. I'm strong, okay? I'm fit to be president, okay? You're not. You're too old, okay? You're old and skinny. Look at me. I'm strong and fit, okay? They will pay a price if I'm elected. I hope this video gets billions and billions of views, okay? Billions of views. billions of views, okay? Billions and billions of views and billions of dollars, okay? From China, from America, and from all over the world, okay? Billions of views. It's a tremendous opportunity to press like on this video. All I'm asking you is to press like on this video, and they will all be great for all eternity, okay? I will make every single video great to watch again. Okay? Great again. All you have to do is press like on this video, post a comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Okay? You got nothing to lose. Okay? Nothing to lose.
Please also, when you subscribe to my YouTube channel, click the bell next to the subscribe button so you get notified every time I upload something.